Oh, here we go, Yeti stereo microphone. There we go. Now my Yeti is in. Hit apply. Hit apply.
Pixar's making a dinosaur movie.
Why is this not working? Oh my god. Close program. I've been trying to close it for a while. Cancel, and I'll reopen it and it should work. My Hauppauge is not liking me right now. Oh crap, I've been right clicking everything. Come on, stupid thing. Close window. Do you not understand what close means? Wait, it's working now? Is the audio's working now?
I don't know what's working now.
Here, ask Thenon12 if the audio's working, because I can't tell.
It's working.
Oh, you tested the audio and it's working?
I definitely hear an echo.
Don't worry, the echo's going to go away in just a sec. I just need to get it to start working, and then it should, you know, start doing everything the way I want it to do it. As long as Hauppauge capture brings up right now, and it fucking stops working on me. This is bullshit.
Okay, apparently the audio is working.
Alright, good. Why is this not fucking working? Am I gonna have to go upstairs and grab my damn USB splitter? Because I really don't fucking want to do that.
If the audio is working, just no video.
Yeah, I know. My Hauppauge is not working for some reason. Everything's working except my Hauppauge.
Hauppauge. Hedgehog.
Damn this fucking thing.
It's just gonna go on a rant about streaming quality.
I'm going on a rant about how I cannot get this thing to work. How I cannot get my Hauppauge to work.
This is why we all should have tested everything in advance.
I couldn't. I've been gone until like 3:30, and I've been working my ass off getting stuff set up since then.
You could have made a fucking 10-minute test stream just to see if it would work. Wouldn't have fucking killed you.
We love you too, Shaq. How did you get so soft, Shaq?
Pin this to the taskbar so I don't have to keep opening and closing my Google Chrome to get it to work. Damn, this thing sucks. Right, I forgot to plug it in, damn. Did it work? Damn it! Fuck! It worked for just a split second! Fuck this fucking thing. Why?
Struggle of Mickspad.
I fucking hate this thing because it was working earlier and now it stops working the second that I start streaming.
So is toxic ice like toxic rain for going?
Oh,
What are you talking about?
I always thought it was yellow snow.
No, eat yellow snow.
you know what? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab my USB splitter and just put it. I know that it tells me both in the Blue Yeti and the Hapog don't put it into a USB splitter, but I don't care. I'm putting it in my USB splitter. I'll be right back.
Yeah, and then when it fucks up, what's gonna happen then?
It can't be worse than what's going on right now.
It can if it fucking jams up your
I'm walking away.
I didn't know computers only have one USB port these days.
I should say not to do this. It does it anyway. The computer explodes.
We're gonna see a fire in the background like,
I promise I will not be having this problem when it comes to streaming Mega Man and Sonic Adventure. I promise.
We'll see.
if your computer
Just blows up.
I've been muted for the last couple minutes and didn't even realize.
Apparently, crying can be heard.
Shut up.
crying. Where do you mean me?
Damn it, come on. Just fucking load.
I don't know anymore.
Device driver? Okay, I'm missing the fucking driver. That's why it's not loading. I installed the fucking drivers like 5 fucking times. Shut the fuck up, guys! Brian, can you stop being an asshole? I'm ready to fucking kill someone. And the first victim will be Brian. Is my Blue Yeti still working now? Yeah, okay, hold on, no, wait, hold on, nope, my Blue Yeti stopped working, and my Hapog stopped working too. This is just fucking perfect, because I switched the damn... This is the most bullshit...
Dumbass, that's what I think.
I'm not a dumbass! Up on me! There it goes. It's set to my Blue Yeti for the audio at least.
Watch it fuck up again. Watch it fuck up again.
It's not. It hasn't gone right at all. It's my damn.
This is the dumbest moment in the history of this stream. This is the dumbest moment.
And the thing is, Twitch is recording this shit right now. Did it work? It. I think I got it. I think I may have figured out a way to get it to work, but I'm not 100% on it. Let me restart up the program one more time, and if this works, I'll be happy. If it doesn't work, I won't be shocked.
Shocked?
No, I know. No. It was dumber when you said, yes, we can hear you. And then you realize you're back up.
Damn it, that's not working.
MRI, I think that's what it was called, MRI.
Great, let me waste more fucking time installing the damn drivers. You guys entertain these people. I'm putting you next to the microphone.
Fucking give me money.
By the way, we're trying to raise money, so please donate.
Yeah. Donate to this poor person who has shitty tech.
Are all the connections correct in this thing? Because I don't know if they are. I'll go get the disc to install the drivers again, and hopefully it'll work then.
Can we even be heard on the stream? I don't even
Yeah,
know.
they're all hearing us. They're telling us to go off the air.
Come on, we ain't that bad.
I'm surprised people aren't just laughing at Nick's misery.
Isn't that what they would do in general?
I don't know, people are weird. Oh man.
All a bunch of fucking...
Oh god, I see a fucking Kappa. Okay.
Everybody, spam kappas. I just want to see how many people do it just so we can time them out.
No, that's just mean. Besides, I can't do that anyway.
Not saying you wouldn't do it.
Well, I wouldn't do that anyway. I mean, it's something built into Twitch. That wouldn't be fair for me to do
So does that mean you're gonna block Twitch?
No, I block emotes, but I can't put... I blocked all emotes because I can't stand the sight of that gap.
No, I heard emos. I
That
heard
too.
emos.
Because every time I see somebody post a Kappa, I just imagine them just stroking their dick.
I wouldn't
Bounce their
laugh.
balls.
Laugh so hard.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
That's what I imagine every time somebody posts a Kappa. It's like, my dick is biggest.
Yeah? Hang on a sec. Hang on, I'll be right back.
I would laugh so hard if Twitch changed the mechanism as to where when anyone types in Black Veil Bra, it's the shit emoji popped up. That would be the best.
What? So, where did our streamer go again?
I think he committed suicide, I'm not sure.
He committed Sudoku?
Seppuku?
Yes, Sudoku.
What was Seppuku?
Sudoku.
Doku?
Sudoku.
Seppuku?
Sudoku.
Seppaku?
Sudoku.
Abra!
Son Goku.
Big Manana? Not any argument ever was thought of. God damn it. This is so bad.
Remember anybody, donate if you can.
Donate, yeah.
UK.
donate wherever that link is. Hopefully someone posts it in the chat. I don't know.
I would get the link, but I'm afraid of seeing a kappa, so,
Whenever you say Kappa, I think of that weird Japanese creature.
the thing that, like, sucks your intestines out of your asshole.
Yeah, let's go with that.
It does that! I'm not even making it up!
Well, considering it's Japan, nothing would surprise me. Oh my god. What's happening in the chat right now?
So yeah, technical difficulties. We can't quite go off air since the person who's in charge of going off air has stepped away at the moment. So right now,
I think the beat his head. Probably to kill himself.
oh golly.
I'm not sure. Or to bang his head ferociously again.
So we're sorry about
Either
this.
or.
We are working to fix the problem.
Motherfucker!
Yeah, love you too.
Screw it. I'm gonna see if one of my if another capture card, if this capture card will work. I've got another capture card.
I just saw what they posted on Twitter. They said, we suggest that you don't come to the stream currently as the current person streaming is incredibly angry to watch. We apologize.
What the hell?
Oh gee.
That's nice. I'm sorry. I'm just can't get this thing to work.
Golly, how sweet of you.
You know what? I think I'm just going to say that I'm going to have. If someone else can stream right now, I'll stop streaming and I'll try to get my hog to work. And if I can get it to work, I'll try to get it to work as soon as I can. And once I can resume streaming.
Nick, this is why you said it before you left.
I tried to, but I can't. I couldn't. This will only happen with this stream. I promise I'll have this fixed for my Mega Man 2 and my Sonic Adventure stream. And I realized I'm not next to the microphone at all. Yeah. This will be fixed for my Sonic Adventure and Mega Man 2 streams. This is only happening this time because this is my first stream. I knew this stream was going to go to crap, but I thought it would at least hold out for the beginning, but I can't get my Hapog to work. If someone else can stream right now, that would be great for just like a few minutes until I can get my Hapog to work, and then I'll resume streaming once I get it to work. And I will be able to get it to work if I given a little bit more time.
Oh my god.
I finally am able to stream and now I can't.
I wonder why.
I'm sorry. Let us know when we're off here.
This worked before. Why is it not working now?
Are we still on air or are we off air?
We're still on air, but you guys aren't next to the microphone, but... Hold on. Let me try this 1 sec. Before I make any final judgment calls, let me try this.
Pushes the fix it button. Everything works fine.
Realizes that the cog.
Mine doesn't. I have
You're stupidity.
You should have wasting out time. I know, I just couldn't get it to work.
Nick is pretty impaired here, so.
Shut up. This was working when I started and it stopped working just 2 seconds afterwards.
I believe you. I've had this stuff happen to me before.
The hell is this crap?
I would have lost my shit if you actually found an on button.
There's an on button?